Not a moment wasted with you.
Back then, always thought that you had my back. You were just there to stop it. Hindsight's 2020, should've seen it then. Maybe I should get glasses.